Welcome back, fellow travelers, to Ramble with Gamble. Today we're at one of Scotland's most iconic landmarks, Eilean Donan Castle. Nestled on a small tidal island where three sea lochs meet, this breathtaking site is steeped in history and surrounded by incredible natural beauty. Let's dive in. Eilean Donan Castle dates back to the 13th century, originally built to protect the area from Viking invasions. Over the centuries, it played a central role in Scotland's history, especially during the Jacobite risings. Unfortunately, it was destroyed in 1719 during a clash with government forces. But fast forward to the 20th century, and the castle was lovingly restored by John McCrae Gilstrap. What we see today is the result of 20 years of dedication, completed in 1932. It's no wonder Eilean Donan is one of the most photographed spots in Scotland. Just look at it. So, how do you get to this fairy tale castle? If you're starting in Inverness like I did, it's about a 75-mile drive through some of the most jaw-dropping Highland scenery you'll ever see. Take the A82 towards Loch Ness, then swing onto the A87. It's about an hour and a half, but trust me, you'll want to stop for photos along the way. This route is a photographer's dream. Eventually, you'll arrive at Dornie, a charming village and the gateway to both Eilean Donan Castle and the Isle of Skye. Dornie itself is worth a wander with its cozy pubs and stunning views of Loch Duich. Plus, it's a great base for exploring the nearby attractions. Until next time, follow and subscribe for more from Ramble with Gamble.